Hello everyone, and welcome to another grammar video. I'm Elle, and today we're going to learn about the adverbs for, since, and ago. If you have not already, please like and subscribe. If you find this video helpful, please share it. This is the first video in a series of 4 about adverbs for, since, and ago. This video will explain for. Video 2 will cover since. Video 3, ago. And the 4th video reviews the lessons and gives practice in the first 3. Here are all 3, for, since, and ago in comparison. This will be useful later on, but for now, we are only going to focus on the adverb for plus duration or period of time. Which brings us to the objective for this lesson. By following along with this video, you will practice using the adverb for plus duration correctly in sentences. You will also learn what it means in use, when to use it, and of course, how to use it in a sentence. You'll also get a chance to test yourself with a short quiz. So let's dive in. There are 3 important things to know about using for. First, it answers the question, how long? How long do they read before bed? They read for 2 hours before bed. How long have you known his family? We have known his family for 2 years. Here are some common phrases used to talk about duration of time. An hour, 1 hour, 5 seconds, 20 years, 3 centuries, several minutes, many months, 6 weeks, a few moments. Can you think of more? Share them in the comments section below. The second important thing to know is that you use for plus duration with all verb tenses. Past, present, and future, it doesn't matter. Third, you will use the structure subject plus verb plus duration of time. And remember, you can use it with all tenses. So let's break this down into one very common structure to use with for plus period of time. From left to right, we have the subject, verb, for, duration or period of time, and then more information if there is more information. I study for 2 hours every night. Or, he spoke for several minutes about wearing a protective mask. John and Allison have known for 5 days about the leak. We will stay for 2 months in Costa Rica. You are going to visit for the weekend. Now, this is not the only structure that you can use when you use for plus duration, but we're going to use it to develop our foundation, and then at the end of the video, I'll show you a variation in this structure. So let's practice. You are going to see 10 sentences that are missing some words. You will have about 5 seconds to fill in the gaps in the sentence with the adverb for and the duration provided in parentheses. If you need more time, of course, you can pause the video while you think or write. We'll do the first one together and then we'll begin. Roger is a good student. He studies every night. The answer? He studies for 3 hours every night. Let's begin. Number 1. Keiko loves running. She practiced before she competed in her first race. The answer, she practiced for 2 years before her first race. Number 2, where have you been? I've been waiting here. I've been waiting here for half an hour. Number 3, Kathy's dog was missing. The answer, Kathy's dog was missing for a week. Number 4, Jan and Meg were so tired they slept. The answer, Jan and Meg were so tired they slept for 12 hours. 5. How long did you live in France? I lived there. I lived there for one summer. 6. How long has your sister been married? She's been married. Answer, she's been married for 30 years. 7. How long did they know each other before getting married? They knew each other. Answer, they knew each other for 15 years. 8. The Paris family rented that house. Answer, the Paris family rented that house for 8 months. 9. They talked on the phone. Answer, they talked on the phone for hours. 10. The pianist played without a break. Answer, the pianist played for 2 hours without a break. Okay, how did you do? Put your score in the comments and share which was the hardest sentence for you. Okay, as I promised earlier, there are other structures that you can use to form a sentence with for plus duration. If you're using a verb that takes an object, this structure I'm going to show you could be a better choice. So let's take a look at it. Here we have the table that you have already seen. Subject, verb, for, plus duration or period of time, plus more information. But look at this next structure. Subject, verb, object, adverb or adverbial phrase, plus for, plus duration, and then more information if there is more information. So let's explore this. Look at the first sentence. I study English for 2 hours every night. He spoke to the class for several minutes about wearing a protective mask. John and Allison have known about the leak for 5 days. So you see, you can take more information and put it directly behind the verb when appropriate. We will stay in Costa Rica for 2 months. You are going to your parents for the weekend. So let's try some more practice. Here is an example. Use the information in parentheses to complete the sentence. Queen Elizabeth has been married. The answer, Queen Elizabeth has been married to Prince Philip for 73 years. That's a long time. Number 1, I run the answer, I run every day for 45 minutes. Number 2, he has been giving advice He has been giving advice about training dogs for more than 10 years. Number 3, Harry loves football. He will talk Answer, Harry loves football. He will talk about the game for hours. 4, I have wanted to visit Spain during the summer for a long time. 5, they've been on a diet all summer. They haven't eaten They haven't eaten any junk food for over 2 months. Okay, how did you do? If you missed more than 2, you might want to go back and review the video. You can also do the worksheet for this lesson that's available in the module. You can also post any questions in the comments that you have. And for those who made it this far, I have one last test. Okay. Look at these 2 statements. Tell me if they are true or false. I'll give you about 10 seconds to think about it. If you answered true to both, you're correct. It's true. You can use the adverb for plus duration with all verb tenses. And second, you use for plus a duration of time. All right. Well, thank you again for watching. And remember, read something every day, stay positive, and never stop learning.